Hello y'all, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make garlic cheddar chicken. Ingredients I will be using would be chicken breast, some seasoning salt, some oregano, black pepper, parsley flakes, minced onions, some plain breadcrumbs, garlic minced, Parmesan cheese. Cheese? Yeah. Put a lot of S's on that dinner. Some butter and some cheddar cheese. And I'm going to pair this chicken with some mashed potatoes and probably some steamed fresh vegetables. Okay, guys. I'm just going to trim some of the fat off of these chicken breasts. And then what you want to do is cut them in half. You want to half them. Or you can leave them, thick. That's what you choose to do. But it's just going to take a little longer to cook if you do so. Okay, so you just want to cut them in half. Like so. Or you can just leave them butterfly like this. But, I'm going to cut them in half. Okay. Then I'm going to place them in the pan where I'm going to bake them. Like that. I'm going to cut some more of that off. So. Okay. Let's get that. So you can see all that. I don't want to eat it. Well, I know I don't. So, okay. And we're just going to keep cutting them in half. As many as you need. So we doing about 12. So I need to only cut like 6 up to get 12. Okay? Okay. In this bowl, I'm going to mix 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of the Parmesan cheese, a cup and a half of the cheddar cheese, okay? Okay, and we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of the oregano, same with the parsley, and same with the black pepper. Okay, and the minced onions. I'm just going to use all the rest I got. I mean, I have another thing, but I'm just going to use this one up. And some seasoned salt, if you choose to. You don't have to use seasoned salt if you don't like. You don't have to use any of this if you don't like. You can make this recipe your own. So, yeah. Okay, and just going to mix it together. Combine it all together. Okay. Okay, I have my chicken breasts in the pan. Some of them were so thin that I didn't have to cut them up. Cut them in half. So I just left them, whole like that. Okay. And right here I have a stick of butter and 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic. And I'm just going to pour this over the chicken. Now, you can use more butter if you choose to. If you decide to take the chicken itself and dip it into your butter mixture like that. But I'm not doing it like that. So that's why I only use 1 stick. Okay? If that makes sense. I'm just going to pour it over the chicken. Make sure all of it got a little garlic. Okay. Oh, I'm going to get the rest of that out of that pan. Okay, I'm just going to massage that butter and garlic into the chicken. You don't have to, but hey, ain't nothing wrong with it. And I got the glove on, y'all, because I don't really like touching meat. So, yeah. Don't be like, oh, she don't, I just don't like touching it. To each his own. No judging. Not at all. Okay, you see that? Okay. Now, you could put some of the breadcrumb mixture at the bottom and then place the chicken on top. I don't do that because I don't like soggy chicken. Okay, if you're using a roasting pan, then you can bread both sides. But you can see here, I'm not using a roasting pan, so yeah. Okay. I'm going to put the breadcrumbs on top. And don't worry about cross-contamination because I touched the chicken and went into the breadcrumbs because all that I don't use, I will be trashing. I ain't saving it. Okay? Look at these gloves, y'all. Coming all off. My hand. They're looking crazy. Okay, and you just want to pat the breadcrumb mixture down on the chicken a little so. Like so, a little so. What is I'm talking about? Okay, you want to make sure you preheat your oven to 350. And we're going to place this in there and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes or until the juices run clear. Okay, here's our finished plate. The garlic cheddar chicken with the instant mashed potatoes. Y'all can do homemade mashed potatoes, you know, much better, but time went on my side today. And the Green Giant steam fresh green beans, and I just put a little of the vegetable seasoning on top. Okay, please check out another one of my videos. I will appreciate it. Try this, let me know what you think down in the comments, and thanks for watching.